guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mohana and my name is Jordan. So we are going to do the car mystery slime challenge. Sorry, as you can see, there are a lot of slime in our car, and so how this? Yep, I'm just going to do it.
This is our car. See, there is lot of slime. We choose. We can choose.
I am scared because okay, no problem. There's only door, so no problem. Let's start.
We are going to challenge that what?
Mystery car
Yes,
challenge.
Mr. Cars challenge. We get a lot of pink. Pink is danger, and then this is prize.
And this is the prize, and the
Yes.
loser has to eat the most spiciest
Yes.
ketchup.
Oh,
I hope I win.
I hope I win. This is our car. See, you can see also.
Yes, I want. So, hi guys, and I'm just chilling, and she is going to the car to back up right over there. I wanna do gymnastics actually. So, I am just going to be
Hello guys.
beaten by her. Let's go. Let's run together. She's going to catch me. Look at the girl. She's going to catch. I'm just going to run. Okay, lady. No, don't. She was almost going to hit me right over there. So let's go. Let's go. I'm just crazy. I'm cray today because we went to the party. Like its name was Cray Party. So yes, isn't it? Yes. Oh, and it was so fun. And I became
driving.
okay. I was like crazy over there. So I'm just gonna settle the camera right over here. So yeah.
Let's go there.
Okay, let's go. I am just blackmailed. I don't know why this place is called like this. Yes, I am at my home. I just came back from England, and if you have not seen my home, it's this. Yes. Wait, I'm just gonna go there. It is this one. As you can see. Oh no, I don't know how to got it in the camera. So it's my home. It's my and my sister's. It is our home, and I'm so happy. Yes, please. So I'm gonna go. She called me. Yes. So she's right there. So I just got caught in the England because it was cold and thunderstorm was there. So I'll hand my camera to the sister, and I'm gonna drive the car.
No, I don't want to drive.
Okay. I have bad luck because she doesn't let me. She doesn't let me to play in the car. It's my car, and she doesn't. It's my car. Just kidding.
No.
So it's our both car, but we don't use it much because
Yes, we have a scooter also.
yes, we have scooter, like our baby scooter or something.
But not charge that one.
No, it's all. I charge it in the morning, so maybe it's charged.
Maybe where?
I don't know. I'm going to the garage, so can you catch the camera for me?
I'm just driving. See my leg. Sorry.
So I'm gonna show you my garage, our garage. It is it's our like keeping things or something. Yeah, we keep things over there, just random things. Over there it is. But look at our garage. It's open right now. Our garage is open. Yes, that's our car. And we had two cars. Like one is in the hospital. One is in the hospital. That my sister's. She's actually my cousin. So her sister's father is in what happened?
We're sister. Yes.
But we are cousin. You just drive me. So I was like legit going with her, like hugging her. And why did she do that? So yeah, she gave me that. No, I know. Look at the lights. Look at the lights. These are so pretty. It's like so glow in the dark. Oh no, you closed the light. Look at that. So I really like them. My nails were long, but I just cut it. I don't know why I cut it, but I am a teenage right now. And we two both are teenage. I don't know how we will like go. Oh no problem. So how we will fit in there? We're small. Like we're teenagers right now, but we are just 4 feet tall. We're 16 feet tall. I'm just kidding.
You get like 5 minutes because I'm just parking my car.
Okay, she can park her car. Let's go. I'm gonna show you something special. That my sister is so bad, and she's so cousiny, and she's so naughty, and she's so. Oh, I hate her. So let's go. So I'm just kidding. I love her because she's so fun, and I also play with her. It's so fun. I'm just kidding. I'm cray today. I told you why. What? I'm just gonna go. I'm jumping. Okay, I'm gonna go outside. Stole our thing. I'm just gonna go outside. So wait a minute. It's right over here. It's scary. Oh, there's a ghost right there. Yeah, and I was just planning to go to the slides, but I was like, no, I don't want to go. And my brain was saying, I don't want to go. I want to go. And this is a play.
Time. We should tell. I wanna get that slime. This biggest slime.
No, I want to get it.
I wanna get it.
Okay, let's keep it
This
over there.
is our challenge.
So we are going to hide this. So when we get the prize, they will also get a punishment. The both can.
We're doing rock, paper, scissors. Who go fast?
I'm going to.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, I'll tell my mother.
No.
Let's tell our mother to hide it.
What happened, Bingo?
Oh, we just came back.
Yes, we are doing rock, paper, scissors.
Come here. Let's sit down here.
No, rock, paper, scissors,
Yeah,
shoot.
let's do it. Here. So?
We're doing rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yep.
Put here.
Oh, no, we don't have a place. Okay. Oh, there's a camera. So,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
I go
you
first. I go there.
You better close your eyes.
Okay.
So she's gonna pick. What she's gonna pick? Let's see. I better close your eyes. No cheating, girl. No cheating. Hey, you cheater.
I'm not chatting.
Oh my God! Did she get pink? Let's see. Nope. Nope, she did not get pink. I want to choose it. I can catch it.
Sure, I can catch.
Uh-huh.
Wait. Wait, okay.
I want to.
Green one. Oh.
Oh, I got green.
Okay, can you catch? My turn.
Okay. I thought that was blue, but that's green. She's gonna close her eyes. What does she pick? Okay, I'm just gonna mix it around. So, yep.
What is that?
Yes! She got pink.
Oh,
She got pink. Yes, and my turn. So, can you catch it? I don't want to lose in this challenge. Okay, I'm just gonna get on the.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna have this one. Yes, I got blue.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, your turn. So she gonna sit. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it up, okay? I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm not done mixing. Okay. Yes!
No, I got it because we can do mix also can.
No, that's pink.
No,
Look at that.
we
pink.
can do all mix also can because we got 1 point.
Yes, I don't have pink up to now. So, I don't know how I'm going to do. Ow, there's hair in my eyes.
Don't go there. That's
I'm
it.
going to do
No,
like that.
I'm
Okay,
doing like this.
I'm going to choose for my hair, okay? Where is it? Oh, more down? That looks good. Wait. I'm closing it. Look at it.
Okay, do Hasna.
What? Where is it? What is it over here? Ow, my hate hurts.
We got only one. They will
One
lose.
pink, one pink, one pink.
This is pink.
Yeah, that's purple, girl.
Sorry.
You know. Yes, I got
Oh
only
my.
one pick up to now. I'm gonna catch the camera. It's doing black, so close your eyes. Ooh, interesting.
This is purple.
That's pink.
Purple.
Pink.
Okay,
I know
okay.
that's pink.
This is okay. I got only one pink.
So only one left. That's pink.
We choose it. You go first. I know you will be. Ha ha ha.
No, I'm not the loser. She's the loser.
No.
Because I got this. You got this one, yeah?
No.
I don't know. I got this one.
Okay. We not this one. This
I
one
got
also
these
prize.
two, and
This. Messi got a 3.
no, I didn't get that. You got that. I got this one.
No, that blue is mine. That one is yours.
I have only one purple.
Miss,
I have only one pink. What?
Miss,
Oh,
I am a loser.
Yes.
But I'm not eating. My mother told when getting this small slime. And she got a.
I got the big one. Yeah, I want to play with it. Hey, where's the spoon? We need a spoon to open this thing. It's like ice cream. Hey, get out of my car.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you can enjoy. Like, share, and
Like,
subscribe.
comment, subscribe.
And share.